Hey, if you're getting errors with the Bardeen AI Chrome extension, yeah, you're not alone. This can happen for a bunch of reasons. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. All right, first, refresh your browser tab. Sometimes the extension just glitches out, and a quick refresh can fix it instantly. If that doesn't work, fully close your browser and reopen it. Yeah, this clears temporary issues running in the background. Next, go to your extensions page and make sure Bardeen is enabled. If it's turned off, it won't work at all. Now, check if the extension is up to date. Outdated versions can cause errors or break features. Sometimes corrupted cache can cause extension errors. Go to your browser settings and clear cache and cookies. Other extensions like ad blockers can interfere with Bardeen. Try disabling them temporarily and see if the issue goes away. Also, make sure Bardeen has the right permissions. It needs access to read and change site data to work properly. If the error is still there, just remove Bardeen and reinstall it from the Chrome Web Store. Yeah, this fixes most major issues, and that's it. One of these steps should fix the Bardeen AI Chrome extension error. If not, you might want to check for browser updates or contact support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.